Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei Watch D2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the crown button. Keep holding the button until you see the Huawei logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. Once the watch boots up, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and then tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will see this message, and basically it means we need to download and install the Huawei Health application on the phone we want to pair our watch with, on the iPhone we want to pair our watch with. To do it, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Then open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on Search, tap on the search bar and type in Huawei. Oh, my bad. Huawei Health, basically. And once you type it in, tap on Search, and you should see this application on the list. Huawei Health by Health and Fitness, or by Huawei software right here. Tap on this app, then tap on the Get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on Open button to open it. In the app, you will need to select the service region, and you can tap right here. It will open the list. You can scroll through the list, find the region you want to use. And once you find it, tap on it to select it, then tap on Next, Next, Agree, Allow or deny the required permissions. This is for the notifications, basically. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you will need to allow the permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Then tap on Devices, tap on Add Device, and you will need to log in into a Huawei ID account. If you don't have an account, you can also create a new one, or always create a new one by tapping on Register right here. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. And after you log in, you will need to agree to the terms of use, like this. And you also will see this page. You can tap on Let Go, or Let's Go rather. And it will bring you to the Health access. And basically, if you want to use any of the health features on your iPhone, you will need to allow the app to read and write the data for those features. So let's say you want to track these steps on your watch, and in the app, you will need to allow steps by checking them or enabling them and then tapping on Allow. I'm gonna tap on Turn on All and then tap on Allow, but you can customize it to your liking, or you can always deny them if you don't want to use any of the health features. Then tap on Allow. Not now. And now you should see the health page. Tap on Devices again. Tap on Add Device. Allow the permission. Tap on Add Device again. It will start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your Huawei Watch D2. Tap on the Connect. And wait. Add Device. Tap on Connect. Tap on Download. Oh, we need to download the specific application called Huawei Health Europe for some reason. That's weird. But okay, let's download it. Let's tap on Open. Select the region again. The permission for the notifications, allow it or deny it. Then tap on Devices. Add Device. Let's log in. Now I had to confirm, or I need to basically enter the code from the email address that is associated with my account. So I'm gonna check the email and enter the password, the PIN. Okay. No, not 5885. Okay. And after we log in, we need to do the same, agree. Allow the permission for the health. You can always deny them if you want to, of course. Then tap on devices, add device, allow the permission, add device again, tap on the connection next to Huawei D2, and now it's working. Okay, so apparently we had to use the different app. Then we can tap on the check mark on the watch, tap on pair, allow, or deny, of course. You can deny the permission for the notifications. Next we have the location permission. You can allow it or deny it. Then check the box right here, tap next. And here you can allow the permission for the contacts. If you want to use the watch to display the contacts when somebody's calling you on your iPhone and stuff like that. I'm gonna tap on don't allow. You can check the another permission for the calendar access. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications about the events on your calendar and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can deny it. If you want to use it, allow full access. Do we have any more permissions? Looks like not. So we can check or uncheck the boxes about the auto downloads for the updates, and then you can tap on done. And now you should see your Huawei Watch D2 on the device page basically. And if you go to the devices, it will be here on the list, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.